If you saw my last video, you will know that my first test was with Sky Echo mounted on the side window and Pilot Aware Classic mounted in the centre of the fuselage using the old internal antenna. After reviewing the obscuration in this position using Pilot Aware's vector diagrams, I decided to move Sky Echo to the front of the cabin and install Pilot Aware's internal remote antenna. At the time of this test though, I had not yet installed the Pilot Aware antennas, so that will be the subject of a following video.
Right, I have a target there. Target picked up on Pilot Aware but not showing on Sky Echo. Sky Echo is 0, 1. Target at crossword. Not on their Sky Echo. Showing up at Pilot Aware. Definitely not showing up. 2 targets. 2 targets. Pilot Aware. Sky Echo 0.
Visual 1 ahead. Uniform 1, service wind 160, 8 knots.
We've got visual, so we're literally 5 miles away from that target, not showing up on ADSB, showing up on Pilot Aware. We've got 2 targets on Pilot Aware at Gosford, 1 grob now turning base.
Aircraft right 2 o'clock, 2.5 miles, 600 feet below.
That's the target. I've got 2.5 miles. Still nothing showing on Sky Echo. Got 1 target coming out of Halfpenny Green now. Oh, not showing up on Sky Echo either. So that's 3 to Pilot Aware.
Halfpenny Green information, Golf Lima Foxtrot uniform, inbound from the northwest, requesting aerodrome information for joining.
Golf Lima Foxtrot Sierra uniform, Halfpenny Green radio, runway use 16 left hand, the QFE 992 hectopascals.
Golf Romeo Bravo.
Miles, 400 feet below, passing left to right.
There's a target on Pilot Aware.
Warning, aircraft ahead, 11 o'clock, 1.5 miles, 400 feet below, passing left to right.
I'm having visual.
Golf Romeo Bravo, does that mean you can be permission to take off?
Right. Golf Romeo Bravo, nothing known on final.
Golf Romeo Bravo.
After landing, I reviewed the vector diagrams again for this flight. It was clear that repositioning Sky Echo to the front of the cabin did reduce obscuration slightly. However, it seems that I can improve things still more by turning the device around so that it is facing into the cabin. The diagrams show that the signal is stronger through the mounting bracket at the back. Even without the new antenna for Pilot Aware, it was still very effective at detecting other aircraft. It was interesting to note that out of 10 contacts detected by Pilot Aware, only 3 were detected by Sky Echo. I'm no expert on this subject and I have no affiliation with UA Avionics or Pilot Aware. I'm just a pilot reporting my observations. So I hope you enjoyed the video and you find it of interest. Thank you for watching.